Hey rodeo fans, I'm back with this week's video. This week we've got Cruz McNulty, a young up-and-comer in the bareback riding, getting on a 4-year-old mare number 612. This is the first rider trip for this mare, and she's a bit colty, but not bad. She comes out with a big kick and a direction change right out of the chutes, which Cruz handles well. She kind of gets a little bit lost, turning towards the center of the arena. Gets a little bit short seeing this mud puddle in front of her, and then picks up kicking strong afterwards. Cruz stays fairly square through it all, but the Colt's a little tough to get in time with, and all in all, a good learning experience for rider and horse.